Thinking about installing LED strip lights? Before you install them under cabinets, in shelves, or around a room, there's one accessory that can completely transform the final look: aluminum channels. Not only do they create a cleaner, more professional appearance, but they also help protect your strip lights and improve light diffusion. In this video, we'll explain what aluminum channels are, the different types available, and how to choose the right one for your project. Aluminum channels are housings designed specifically for LED strip lights. The strip light is installed inside the channel and covered with a diffuser lens that helps create a smooth, even illumination, while reducing visible LED hotspots. Aluminum channels also provide additional protection for the strip light and help dissipate heat for long-lasting performance. Aluminum channels can be used in a wide variety of residential and commercial applications. They're commonly installed under cabinets, inside bookshelves, closets, stairways, home theaters, retail displays, offices, and architectural lighting projects. Anywhere you want a polished, finished lighting installation, aluminum channels are a great solution. One of the most common questions we get is, which aluminum channel should I choose? The answer depends on where you're installing the lighting. Surface mount channels are the most versatile option and work great under cabinets, shelves, workbenches, and general accent lighting. Recessed and trimless channels sit flush with the mounting surface, creating a clean, built-in appearance, often used in cabinetry, drywall, and architectural projects. Corner channels direct light at a 45-degree angle, making them ideal for cabinets, display shelves, and stair lighting. For specialty applications, cove channels create indirect ambient lighting. Edge-lit channels illuminate acrylic panels and signage, and drywall recess channels, sometimes called trimless channels, create a seamless, built-in look within the walls and ceilings. In-ground channels are designed for floor installations, while step channels add both safety and style to stairways. If you're not sure where to start, surface mount and recess channels are the two most popular options and cover the majority of residential lighting projects. Once you've selected a channel style, there are 4 key factors to consider before purchasing. First, make sure the channel is wide enough to accommodate your LED strip light. Second, if you're using a waterproof LED strip, verify the channel provides enough depth and clearance between the strip and the diffuser lens to accommodate the silicone coating or sealant. Third, choose a finish and diffuser lens that complements the look and lighting effect you're trying to achieve. And finally, calculate how much channel you'll need to complete your project. Channels are available in multiple finishes, including white, black anodized, silver anodized, and silver non-anodized to match your installation. For diffuser options, frosted lenses create the smoothest appearance, while clear lenses maximize light output. Before installation, connect your strip light and power supply to verify everything works properly. When installing the strip inside the channel, leave enough room for end caps and wiring connections. Then mount the channel using the recommended clips, brackets, screws, or adhesive hardware. For outdoor applications, use silicone sealant to create a watertight installation. Aluminum channels are one of the easiest ways to give LED strip lights a cleaner, more professional appearance, while helping protect your investment. Whether you're lighting cabinets, shelving, stairways, or an entire commercial space, there's a channel designed for the job. Explore our full selection of aluminum channels and compatible LED strip lights at Super Bright LEDs. Our LED strip light product pages feature recommended channels and accessories, making it easy to find everything you need in one place and choose the perfect solution for your next lighting project.